Right guys, you're not going to believe this, but there we are, nothing to do. Then all of a sudden there's a knock on the door, and Thomas arrives with his wife. She's not here.
Yesterday.
It was yesterday. Thomas has come, and I thought I'd do it, just a quick video, just to let you know. Now, guess who Thomas is? Now, Thomas hasn't been here for 4 years, right? He took his wife back to the United States. In between there, you've had a baby.
Yes, we've had a baby.
Being as you're one of these crazy Americans, what have you come back to the Philippines for?
Well, come back this time for my stepson, my wife's son. I had to do the petition for him. We actually came back to the Philippines to get my stepson. I just did the petition for him and he was approved. So we're actually going back on Monday. We've been here for 2 weeks.
You've only been here 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Just tell my audience how much it's cost you for plane fare.
Oh my God. My airplane ticket this time, round trip and a one-way for my stepson, $7,145 US.
What?
7,140. Oh, I'm sorry. 7,147 US.
My God. Can you remember what it was last time when you came?
2019, I think.
2019.
No, I mean how much was your plane fare? Can you remember? 2019.
Round trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe 2,200.
Yeah.
Maybe
exactly.
one time 1,800.
It's more expensive now.
Right, guys. I'm just gonna jog your memory about Thomas, and he just met his wife to be.
Especially
In the video.
Right, so we're walking home, minding our own business, and all of a sudden we hear this American voice, and it's this guy. This is Thomas. I've just met him. It's a small world, isn't it, Thomas?
Yes, it is.
He's been looking for me,
Yes,
and he's obviously been asking the wrong people. And he's sitting here with my neighbours, so obviously they even know where I live. So he's been to the shop looking for me, and he left a message saying he wanted to speak to me, and of course nobody passed that message on.
So here we are all together.
So here we are, and he's
with Miguelito. With Miguelito.
Miguelito.
Over there.
Oh,
The
right,
tequila,
yeah.
Philippine tequila.
Yeah. Well, it's
80%. 80%.
it's a gin, isn't it?
Yeah. It is.
So why are you not mixing it with Mountain Dew or something?
No, they don't like only water. They want water only for the gin.
Ah.
Unlike you, sometimes you put juice or something else.
Yeah, that's how we do in the States. But I like it straight.
How about aubergine? You like the aubergine?
Yeah, because it's cheap.
Yeah.
It's cheap.
Cheaper and it's delicious, right?
Yeah, yes, it's very nice.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot to talk about, haven't we? Because you're about. You haven't got married yet, have you?
Not married yet.
And you've been courting for 2 years.
Yeah, looking to do so probably in the next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks?
Yeah.
My God, so I haven't got a suit or nothing. So
Tuxedo only, tuxedo. You wear your tuxedo.
no, joke line.
I joke.
Hey, that's where I got the idea for the wedding. From his video on YouTube, I seen it and I said, oh wow, I can do this and even put the prices up there
Yeah,
of whatever. And I said,
very,
wow.
very cheap.
The price of the whole wedding here, that would only buy the cake in the U.S.
Yeah.
That would only buy the wedding.
My neighbors keep calling me curry pot.
Even though.
Yeah, but I love the Philippines. It's hot. It's hotter than I expected here, but it's very nice.
But you're thinking of buying a house here?
Now I'm considering buying a lot right down
A
here.
lot. And building a house.
Yes.
Right. So we'll have to talk about that, won't we? So do you like it in Naga?
Yes, I love it.
You love it in Naga?
Yeah, because I landed here in Manila.
Santa Cruz da, Chris. Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz, yes.
I
Yeah.
landed here in Manila on May the 1st.
Hmm.
Kain lang si Dapa.
And oh God, I didn't like Manila.
No,
Oh, so you
exactly. As soon as I got off the plane, I looked and I thought, I want to go home. I
Yes.
wanted to go back.
Because I got attacked at the airport by people, you know, wanting me to take a cab.
Oh, yeah.
And I had girls coming up to me saying, "Who are you looking for?" I said, "I'm looking for my girlfriend, my fiance." Hey, what's her number?
Yeah.
But I didn't know there was a big fee for that for them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, my fiance is right there.
Right where?
Come here. I want you to get in this video. She's shy.
Yeah, most Filipinos are shy. How's her English? Is her English okay?
Her English?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, her English is okay.
Ay, tam. It's yours. No.
There's a time that when you go back in your own home,
No.
then wait a minute. Then you think, oh, I want to go back in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Have you feel that?
It would be like that. Yeah, it would be. Yeah. Why are you hiding?
Why are you hiding? Yeah.
What's that?
It's YouTube video. You're going to be on YouTube.
Yun na, nabidyo ka na.
She's on there. Come on.
Wala na yan dahil. 6.
6 months.
So,
It's a boy.
yes, it is. We know. We've had a scan. We know.
Even I don't know the medical. I know it's a boy.
I thought she was stealing a football.
Barkada pala ni sa kaya luwang yan.
Nahiling niya sa YouTube. Tapos, upan niya pinaghanap siya. Gusto niya makaulay about sa...
What a small world.
Isn't it? Yeah, it is.
I was looking on YouTube at wedding ideas, and for some reason I come across his video, and I started looking at it, and
Nag-upload siya doon sa video.
I said, "Wow, this is in Naga." You said Naga, and I said, "Jonah, do you know this guy?" She said, "No." And then later, we was walking down here on what is it, Aragon? And she said,
No, thank you.
"Yeah," and I saw him.
I'm
and
fine.
You and her were walking, and I said, "That's American." And then I said, "No, he's not American, I don't think." And then later I saw the video, and she said, "Oh yeah, I know that guy. They got a store up there."
Yeah. So, you're thinking of getting married very soon?
Not thinking, we are.
We are?
We are.
Well, not we, you are. Congratulations.
Imagination.
So,
Your celebration.
Hindi na nga mo tayo mag-start or sa doon rin.
Apo ni naman, nawalipot ah.
so we're going to end the video here because I've got to chat to this guy, and we might even do another video when they get married and stuff, if they want me to. How about that?
Why you like to live here in the Philippines?
Because I've got my lovely wife.
You can bring to
No,
your country.
no.
This is better.
No,
This is
it's better in the Philippines, and it look. That's just my opinion. I think
Just my opinion.
the pressures on you in the West, are there's a lot of pressures. You haven't got them pressures here, you know.
Yeah, the people here are a lot
You might
nicer
can have the
than
best of both worlds
You
and
have-
actually live there and have a
Chris,
have a.
you have neighborberry?
I have what?
You have neighborberry?
Neighborberry?
Good.
Oh yes, very good neighbours. Yeah. Except that neighbour that said he was going to get some load on his phone and didn't come back. You know who I mean?
So I have a question off the video.
Hey Tom, advance congratulations and
Good luck.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck.
Well, they definitely got
Boboy, boboy, boboy.
You don't need a lot of luck if you get a good Filipina.
Oh, I know. And
Because
they definitely
they'll-
got a lot of
yeah.
hospitality here.
They're great. They're great. They're very kind.
Thanks for the compliment.
They're very kind, lovely people.
So whoever's watching this video, get a Filipino.
Yeah.
Ay, especially it's there na. Meron.
Oh, his wife's here, look. She's here. Come on in.
Video!
Gusto ka mahilig sa ano, sa bed.
There you go. This is Thomas's lovely wife and his beautiful little baby. Look at that. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, it's
Uh-huh.
yeah, it's your ano.
So, typical Philippines, it's not been easy sailing because you needed to get some things done. And it's been very difficult to get these things done because of, you know, how things operate in the Philippines. Nothing's very fast. So, have you sorted everything out?
Yeah, I think so. I think we got everything sorted out that, you know, that we needed to do in the Philippines, but you just wouldn't believe how hard it is to get the simplest task here done.
So, has everything gone according to plan? You're taking your wife back to the States. Has everything gone according to plan? Everything's
Yes,
You know,
I think it
worked
has.
out well?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's worked out well.
So they've basically come back for a son because a son was living in Manila with her sisters, and 4 years it was about time to come and get him and take him home. Oh well, take him to the United States. How are you feeling about going to the United States? Are you looking forward to it?
Excited.
I don't know. He's not looking very excited. So that's it, guys. You know, dreams do happen. You know, you can get the girl of your dreams. Things can work out as long as you take things easy. You pick the right girl, obviously, and most of all, you pick the right family. Always look at the family, and you'll have a good idea how the girl's gonna interact with you. So that's it then, guys. You're going back to the States on Saturday? Monday. So it's Friday today, guys, so they've only got a day and then they're on the way back. So it's been lovely seeing you again, really has.
Definitely.
And I'm so pleased you got a beautiful little baby and everything's going well. Now, just before we go, you'd love to come back to the Philippines to stay, but it's just having an income because
Yes.
you're nowhere near retirement yet.
Nowhere near retirement.
He's got his own house, guys, but like me, he's scared to rent it out in case something goes wrong, which I agree with. I think he's doing the right thing.
Very difficult to do things in another country from this country.
So before we go, what do you think of the United States? Would you prefer to be back to the Philippines?
Be honest with them.
Honestly.
US is a different way of living.
So, again, if you and your husband could afford to move back here and live here,
Yeah, I like more
would
here.
would you prefer coming back to the Philippines?
I like more here.
I think that's new, isn't it, guys? That's new to hear.
Did you
Normally-
hear that, Filipinos out there? You're not gonna like the U.S.
You see, girls normally want to stay abroad.
Yeah.
We keep getting asked, why don't you take Mel back to the UK? I don't think so. Love the
Just
Philippines.
visit only.
Yeah, love all you guys. Thanks to everybody for supporting the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take a picture.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, and Kitchen Baker. Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.